Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your iPhone 15 Pro smartphone. If you cannot pair your Bluetooth device to your smartphone, open your control center, then go to Connectivity tab, turn off Bluetooth, and then toggle it on again. Then go to your devices list and try pairing your Bluetooth device once again. Make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Select it right here. And once it says connected, everything should work just fine. Now if you have already paired your device with your smartphone, but cannot connect it to it right now, then troubleshoot this issue by forgetting your device. So to do this, in My Devices, tap Info, then select Forget this device, confirm, and then pair it with your iPhone once again. So put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode, wait until it appears in the devices list. Once again, if it doesn't appear, we have to turn off Bluetooth and then wait a moment and turn it back on. And then eventually the Bluetooth device will appear on the devices list. Now, if the problem persists and you cannot pair your iPhone with this Bluetooth device, or you cannot connect your iPhone to it, then we can also, as a last resort, reset all network settings. However, it will also affect your Wi-Fi connections. So your Wi-Fi networks, all of the Wi-Fi networks you were connected to previously, will be erased from your smartphone, and you'll have to, reconnect to them and re-enter the password to each network, basically. As well as you're going to have to repair all the Bluetooth devices that you had paired on your smartphone. But to perform this operation, we're going to have to go to General Settings and then scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset, then Reset Network Settings, and then Confirm, and wait until your iPhone is restarted. Once your iPhone is restarted, you have to go back to Settings, then open Bluetooth and try pairing your device once again, or connecting to it once again. And at this point, everything should return back to normal. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.